Hi, it's Tony again from the Engineer Team Network, the Masterful Engineer. Just a public warning, only gas safe engineers to be working on boilers who are qualified. So on this particular boiler, it's the Glowworm Micron 30FF, and we're going to be going over some common faults on this boiler. So we're just going up and down on it. So on the first common fault is the notorious PCB. This is it here, the PCB, and this is it here. Now on this PCB there's two types of PCBs. One is a single fuse one, that's the fuse down there, and there's another one which is a twin fuse. You can also tell by the thermostat type, because on this one it's got a pump overrun built in and it's quite big. The other type, the thermostats are very small, and the PCB has got two fuses on it. So they're the two types of configuration of boards and thermostats. The other problem you can have is the gas valve here. That can be problematic too. Up here behind there you've got the electrode. They can get blocked, damaged, and also you've got the pilot burner which can get blocked, causing it not to ignite. Going back in the control box, here you've got the air pressure switch as well. At the top part of the boiler you've got the fan unit. This is also a common thing for going. This is a fan unit here. They're the tubes which go to the air pressure switch, and that's the outlet towards the flue. This is the main heat exchanger, cast iron heat exchanger. So they're the basic faults on this type of boiler. So thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon.